To share a file in Google Drive, you can either open the file and click Share in the top right corner, or right-click the file in the list and select Share. You can also share your document with someone's account or using a link, which will allow anyone with this link to access the document. Regardless of link sharing or sharing directly with someone, there are 3 levels of access you can choose: viewer, commenter, and editor. If your Google account belongs to an organization, you can choose to share with everyone in your organization or keep it restricted. I hope this video has helped you, and I'll see you in the next Kanbanchi tutorial.